Hello language lovers, welcome to today's English vocabulary lesson centered around Passover, a significant Jewish holiday. This celebration is rich with tradition and meaning, and to fully grasp its essence, there are 5 key words you need to understand. Let's dive into these words that will enrich your vocabulary and understanding of this celebration. Our first word is Exodus, meaning a large group of people departing from one location. Picture this: the exodus of fans from the stadium was overwhelming. But when it comes to Passover, Exodus takes on a deeper meaning. It represents the Israelites' journey from slavery to freedom in Egypt. This story is so pivotal that the entire holiday of Passover is sometimes simply called Exodus. Next is Seder, a ceremonial dinner that starts Passover. Picture yourself saying, "We prepared the table for our Seder with great care." This isn't just any meal, it's a ritualistic feast that brings the Exodus story to life, right at the dinner table. Intriguing, isn't it? Seder means order in Hebrew, referring to the orderly sequence of the dinner and readings. Haggadah, our third word, is the book used during the Seder, narrating the Exodus story. For example, she recited the 4 questions from the Haggadah with confidence. It's a vital instrument in preserving and transmitting the time-honored traditions and teachings of Passover. Many families have heirloom Haggadahs that are passed down through generations. Moving on to Matzah, this is unleavened bread, symbolizing the Israelites' haste when they left Egypt. Picture yourself saying, "During Passover week, we swap our usual bread for Matzah." It's a poignant reminder of the quick escape, with no time for bread to rise. Matzah is also known as the bread of affliction, reflecting the hardships endured. Lastly, Afikoman, a piece of matzah hidden during the Seder, creating a fun activity for children. Picture this: the kids eagerly searched for the Afikoman, hoping to find it first. This playful hide-and-seek tradition keeps younger attendees engaged and entertained throughout the Seder. Finding the Afikoman often involves a reward, linking fun with cultural education. That wraps up our Passover-themed English lesson. We've journeyed through Exodus, sat at the Seder, read from the Haggadah, tasted matzah, and hunted for the Afikoman. These words are gateways to understanding the rich tradition of Passover. If you enjoyed this vocabulary boost, please like, subscribe, and share this video to help spread knowledge.